Imagine a killer that's completely invisible, silent, and can wipe out an entire village in minutes. In 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon did exactly that. This seemingly peaceful lake harbors a deadly secret: massive amounts of CO2 trapped at its bottom from volcanic activity. When that gas suddenly erupted, it created an invisible cloud that silently swept through nearby villages, suffocating 1,700 people in their sleep. No sound, no warning, just death. Scientists now use special pipes to safely release the gas before it builds up again. Lake Nyos stands as nature's perfect assassin, beautiful, silent, and deadly, reminding us that Earth's most serene places can hide the most terrifying dangers.